Hi, this is Anthony Colaluca with Makino's EDM Applications Department. Today we're going to take a quick look at the pinch rollers on our UX series machines. So with this design, what we're doing is before the wire even reaches the bend, we're drying and cleaning it. So what happens is there's a housing right here with a compressed air line to it. It's blowing all the dirt and grime off of the wire and sending all that muck to our dirty tank to be filtered. Now, once that's done, the wire runs through these two pinch rollers here and then lays nice and flat into our wire bin. So when you do go to take out your wire bin and change your wire, it's nice and easy. You can simply grab your wire. It's not full of muck and dirt, and discard of it. So that's been the pinch rollers on the UX series machine.